So obviously there's a lot going on in New York City. Because of the Canadian wildfires, there's haziness, smoke-filled air. And while it affects our well-being in our lungs, what does smoke do to our hair? And especially people that smoke every day or in smoke-filled environments, how does that affect our hair? So there's 5 things I want to talk about today in terms of how it negatively affects your hair. So number one, odor. So smoke smells bad. And when you're around smoke, such as today's environment in New York City, or if you smoke at home and there's smoke in the air, that odor is going to get into your hair. And even after washing, it's difficult to remove it completely. Number two is dryness and brittleness. So smoke filled environment can strip your hair of its natural oils, and your hair is left brittle and drier, and it loses its shine and its luster. So the look of it and the feel of it is going to look different if you're in a smoke-filled environment. Number three, discoloration. So over a long period of time, maybe not right now with what's going on in New York City with smoke in the air, but if a long period of time being exposed to smoke, it discolors your hair. It can look lighter, sometimes yellowish. And especially we may see that in people that have lighter colored hair, so it can discolor your hair. So that's something to be aware of. Number four, residue buildup. So there's pollutants in the air, and those can stick to your scalp and cause irritation, but also gives you a dirty or unclean feeling of your scalp, and you may have to wash your hair more often. So the residue buildup is a negative effect of smoke in the air or smoke in your environment. Number five, scalp irritation. So the smoke can irritate your scalp. So it can feel irritated, it can feel itchy. There could be more dandruff, more flakiness, especially if you have a condition of your scalp, such as eczema or psoriasis. But scalp irritation can definitely be felt and noticed in a smoke-filled environment as well. So these are 5 things that we see in people who are exposed to smoke. Here we're seeing it on a short-term basis in New York City because of the Canadian wildfires, but there's people that are exposed to smoke in their environment more on a long-term basis. So these are some things to be aware of and how smoke specifically can affect your hair.